Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending email. I will just tap on it simply on my Roblox account and make sure you will have logged in, and I will be just move in the right bottom corner option more, just finding the settings simply and just check the account information. So when you just get in your account information and make sure you will be just verified your email address. And what we're gonna do, if I just go back, and sometimes you will have to just logged in and it will be just verify that you are to logged in, and it will be just send you email on your Gmail. So sometimes it will be just refresh it and it will be find it here, and if you cannot find, so you will be just tab on the top left three lines and just finding the spam folder. So sometimes it will be sent in spam, so you will be just copy the code and simply just put it and logged in easily. So in this way you will just have to fix it, two-step verification. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.